it's Diamond Monday. Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you're here today. I don't know if you saw in that caption we got right there. Today we have a book haul, friends. And I know this is probably a little different to see on my channel. I have never done a book haul before. But as you guys saw like 2 vlogs ago, if you've watched that vlog, if you haven't, I'll link it right here. Somewhere up here. If you guys didn't see, I went to the bookstore with one of my friends and I got a bunch of books. In fact, $96 worth of books, and your girl is going to read all of them and review them for you. So let's get into this book haul. Okay, so the first book that we have is Love and Olives by Jenna Evans Welch. You can see that little pretty book right there. Yeah. And it is a part of the like Love and Gelato series. There's Love and Gelato, there's Love and Luck, and Love and Olives, as far as I know. There could be another one, but I read the 2 that I just mentioned. And I'm really excited for this one, but it's because I read the other 2 that I wanted to get this one, because you gotta, you know, finish it off. Although I think there are 3 individual stories, but I just wanted to read it anyway. This one is Legend Born by Tracy Dion, and it seems to be about a girl, a 16-year-old girl, who wants nothing to do with her childhood family, goes to the school for bright high schoolers, and realizes that there may be something deeper to her story. There seems to be some magic in it, and there's this guy that keeps popping up, and she feels like he's somehow connected to the night that her mother died, and all kinds of stuff. And so I'm excited for this one. Look at that beautiful cover and detail. And then the next one is Growing Boldly by Emily Lay. Dare to build a life you love. And this is just kind of like a get your life together book, you know? A celebration of self-discovery, taking risks, and doing what matters. So that's good. The next one is Who Are You Following by Sadie Robertson Huff. Excited about this because social media can be such a trap. I know that I haven't been posting a lot if you follow me on social media, but there definitely is like, you have to stay covered in the word. You have to stay guarded up in prayer, in the word, because social media comes for people. The next book that we have is Instructions for Dancing by Nicole Yoon. Now, I have read Nicole Yoon's other books, The Sun Is Also a Star and Everything, Everything. Love Everything, Everything. The movie, everything. Yes, I know there is a part in the movie that you skip, and I know, because we don't watch those kinds of scenes here. But the plot, the story, the music, just it all, it was very beautiful and I loved it. And so I'm excited to check out this book, Instructions for Dancing, which is about a girl who doesn't believe in love, and she meets this guy and they do a ballroom dance competition, and she tries to discover whether love is worth the risk. So, okay. And then the last book that your girl's got here, is Belladonna. And this was a book that I was not planning on getting, but the guy at the front, of course, had a deal on it, and he said he would give it to me for 50% off. And then my friend really wanted it, so I'm gonna read it, and then I'm gonna give it to her so that she can read it. But this book is apparently what he said, and I'm gonna read it about the back. But it's about a girl who had a garden, or who has a garden. It was gifted to her by her aunt who passed away. And at first she thinks the garden is regular, she waters it, you know, all the gardening stuff. And soon she realizes that the garden's not a normal garden and there may be something wrong with it, and it starts to grow, and whatever is trying to grow, she's trying to stop it before it goes out and harms the world around her. So that is this book right here, Belladonna by Adeline Grace. So if you've read any of these books, put it in the comments below. So I'm gonna lift my fingers right there. I'm excited about these books. I have 6 books to read, so you'll be seeing a lot of book reviews coming soon. But yeah, I'm going to get started on those, but I wanted to share with you guys the books that I got because I didn't really get to show you in the last vlog or talk about them. But again, if you've read the books, please comment below. Before this video ends, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to join the family. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends!